All right, I present to you Business A. What we have here is a sweet little factory that's really cranking it out. And here's a transformer. This thing is ancient, but it's humming along and really is capable of lasting almost forever. And this is Business B. It's the same type of factory, but they have a 6-year-old transformer. Top of the line and everything, but this one has a serious issue that just hasn't been checked, waiting to take them down. This thing will fail violently and without warning, and when it does, it will literally cost them millions of dollars a day in downtime. What you really want is a way to make sure that your transformers, whether you're the utility or the factory, are running smooth, on the cheap, for a long time. And you don't want to think about it, ever, because your thing is your thing, and transformers aren't your thing, and you definitely don't want this. So do you hire one company to do the testing, and then hire another company to perform the maintenance, and then another guy to be in charge of the guys that you're contracting out? What about training for that guy? I suppose that's a different company as well, and who makes sure that all these people work together in the best way possible to prevent this? No, what you really want is one place that has it all. One place with the knowledge to offer everything from basic training to full certification. And with the understanding not only to test the oil, but to analyze the results, letting you know when there's a problem before it causes this. One place with the experience to perform service in the field or to consult your staff on how to go about it. And there's only one place that brings all of this. We call it Intelligent Transformer Management, because transformers are our thing.